Hi, everybody, and welcome to Grand Manor Magazine. I'm trying to see if I got this stuff right. I don't know. Let me get back in here. Okay. And I'm moving here so I can share the screen. There we go. Yay! I was able to do it. Yeah. Woohoo! Hey everybody, welcome. This is Rhonda Love with Grand Manor Magazine. And right now we are definitely sharing our little screen here. And I'm on the website live. I'm live with you. And I just wanted to pop in. And for those of you that are not familiar with Grand Manor Magazine, you probably are. But if you're not, this is the website you want to go to. The one thing I love about Grand Manor Magazine is absolutely the colors, the liveliness, and everything. So check this out. We're just going to go right now to our shopping hotspot. And the beautiful part about it is that, Mother's Day is coming right around the corner. It's on May the 9th. So you might want to start, if you haven't done your shopping, you can do it now. I know it's very hard right now with the pandemic. You probably feel alone and everything. And you probably, if you're like me, I love going with friends to the mall or with my family. But unfortunately, with everything that's going on, we can't do that much like we used to. So we have to wear a mask. And it makes the shopping experience a little bit different. So we do a lot of things online. But the beautiful part about it is all for the rest of this season and all the way through summer as well, I'm going to be popping in and you can be shopping with me, Rhonda Love. So I'm going to be hosting with the Mad Hatter's Tea and Shopping. And I am hoping, I don't want anyone to feel alone. I want you to join me. We're going to shop together and looking at some name brand items, some sales and deals, and have some fun. So definitely give a visit to the website. Every single day, we're going to be posting new items for you to shop and to peruse and to check out. Okay, I'm just excited about it. I'm thrilled. And I'm so excited about this new way that we are communicating with you. And we hope that you become more engaging with us and interacting. You'll see some beautiful items. I mean, just beautiful on the website. We have some awesome items that you can definitely shop and buy today. Now, please know that all the links that are in our shopping hotspot are affiliate links. And, as editor, I try to search and give you guys some wonderful, wonderful items to shop for. So make me look good. Pick some of the items out. I hope you like them. I picked them out because I felt like, these are very nice. So I hope you'll check it out and enjoy them. So the items that I've searched and picked out and we were able to put on the website. And it's really very awesome, the items that you'll see. From pocketbooks to totes to some shoes, and we have a little bit of everything. So if you have a minute, check it out today. I'm so glad that you allowed me to come into your room, and I'm very excited. We have a new recipe that we'll be posting today, so be on the lookout for it as well. I think you'll like it. And of course, enjoy more and more of what we have for you throughout the week. Thank you so much for letting me come into your world and enjoy the shopping on Grand Manor Magazine. Oh my God, those are so cute. Those Skechers pop-ups, really adorable. So definitely go in, check them out. Check out the items that we have posted. We'll be posting new items every single day. These are name brand items from name brand websites. You'll absolutely, absolutely love them. And of course, as you peruse through, we also have our wonderful Crafter Square pop-up stickers. They are awesome. Join me for a DIY crafting on, I think it's this coming Friday. I'm going to go on here and check. Let's see, schedule of live events. So that's going to be on Friday. That's right, DIY Craft Day, Friday on April the 30th from 7 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. And it's going to be me with a different hat on, doing zany stickers, scotch taper, gift maker, chic DIY crafter, and editor, Rhonda Love. I think you'll love it. So definitely tune in. I think the one that we're going to do a game board. And I think you're going to love it. We're going to work with the stickers and show you how to make a homemade game board at home that you can play with your kids. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Also, join us on April the 28th. We're going to be doing some movie favorites. I don't know about the rest of you, but have any of you checked out the new, what is it, the show? It's on Netflix, Vincenzo. I absolutely love it. There's so many cliffhangers in that movie. And if you are a fan of, Netflix, you watch Netflix movies, I do. But this one is awesome. It's called Vincenzo. Fabulous actors in it. Is so good. It's just, you can't just stop watching it. It's like every week I'm tuning in to the next episode. So definitely check that out. But we're going to talk about that this coming week on the 28th, Wednesday. So I'll be popping in at that time and talking about that wonderful streaming movie. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to leave you now with, and I hope you've enjoyed this little snippet. Do go in and shop and enjoy some of the wonderful products that we have that are listed in there from some name brand websites. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We do, as I mentioned before, it's affiliate links. We do get a commission, which gives us support. Thank you. Thank you. So definitely go in and give us support and shop with us. All you have to do is go to www.brandmanor.com and shop with us. Okay. So enjoy, and let me see if I can kind of get out of here if I can. I think I'm trapped in here. Oh my gosh. But I think I'm okay now. I'm okay. There I am. I'm back. So guys, listen, I look forward to seeing you this week. And thank you for letting me pop in and join you. And thank you for your patience. And thank you so much. Love you. Have a fabulous rest of the week. And again, Grand Manor Magazine, look forward to seeing you again. So again, see you. Bye-bye.